Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make curd rice in hotel style. Very easy and a delicious recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan and to this add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add a teaspoon of Urad Dal. Fry the Urad Dal in medium flame for a minute until they turn nice and golden brown. Now the Urad Dal is nicely done, so go ahead and add 1 red chilli. This is just for the color. If you don't have red chillies, you can go with the regular green ones. Few curry leaves and 2 dried red chillies. Give it a quick mix. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida and mix it well. Now the ingredients are nice and aromatic, so at this stage off the flame and allow it to cool completely. I've taken 2 cups of steamed rice in a bowl. Give it a quick mix. To this add 1 cup of curd. I've already made a video on how to make perfect thick curd at home. I'll be giving the video link in the description box, you can check on that. Homemade curd always tastes better for this curd rice recipe. Then add half teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Mix well and make sure the curd and salt we added are well spread. Now it's nicely mixed. The tempered ingredients are also nice and cool now, so transfer the curd rice to the pan and mix it well. Now it's nicely mixed and our delicious curd rice is ready to enjoy. Finally, decorate the curd rice with some grapes and pomegranate. Now a delicious and healthy curd rice in hotel style is ready to enjoy. Enjoy with your family and friends. Kids will love this recipe and you can prefer this recipe for your kids' lunchbox. Very easy, healthy and a delicious recipe. So do try this curd rice recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.